In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly. To get started, log into your Calendly account so you can access your dashboard and create a new event. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the plus create button. This is where you'll begin setting up a new scheduling option. From the available event type choices, select group. This option is designed for situations where multiple people can book the same time slot, which makes it especially useful for workshops, training sessions, information meetings, or any event where you want several attendees in one session. Next, enter a name for your group event. Choose something clear and descriptive so invitees immediately understand what they're signing up for. After that, set the event duration. Think carefully about how much time participants will need, and make sure the length matches the purpose of the session. Now, choose the meeting location. Calendly lets you connect options like Zoom, Google Meet, or other meeting formats depending on how you want to host the event. Pick the location that works best for your audience and for the type of session you're running. After that, expand the invitee limit section. This is one of the most important parts of group scheduling because it controls how many people can reserve the same time slot. Set the maximum number of invitees you want to allow. For example, if you only want a small interactive session, you might keep the number low. If it's more of a presentation or orientation, you may allow more participants. Next, configure your availability schedule. This determines when people can book the group event, so make sure the days and times reflect when you're actually available to host. It's a good idea to double-check your time windows here to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Once your availability is set, review the host settings. This is your chance to confirm that everything looks correct before publishing the event. Take a moment to check the event name, duration, meeting location, participant limit, and scheduling setup so there are no surprises later. When everything is ready, click Create. Calendly will then generate your group event and make it available for booking. Finally, click Copy Link to share the group scheduling page with your invitees. You can send that link through email, messaging platforms, or anywhere else you communicate with participants, making it easy for them to reserve a spot in the same session. Thanks for watching.